Tongue Twisters for TH Part 2. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Something in a 30-acre thermal thicket of thorns and thistles thumped and thundered, threatening the 3D thoughts of Matthew the Thug, although, theatrically, it was only the 13,000 thistles and thorns through the underneath of his thigh that the 30-year-old thug thought of that morning. There those 1,000 thinkers were thinking, how did the other 3 thieves go through? Elizabeth's birthday is on the 3rd Thursday of this month. Through 3 cheese trees 3 free fleas flew. While these fleas flew, Freezy Breeze blew. Freezy Breeze made these 3 trees freeze. Freezy Trees made these trees cheese freeze. That's what made these 3 free fleas sneeze. "33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thurber on Thursday." "3 short sword sheaths." Well done.